Hi guys. So today is day 2 and I did my hair, child. I done zip my hair and it looks so pretty. I can't wait to style it for my birthday. So right now I just did my nails and I'm done. Yo, I can't hold them properly because I just did them now, child. But this is how they look, and I like them. Right now, I can't use them properly because, like, I just did them now, and they're not as warm, not as dry yet. I still have to put them in the LED light. I just wanted to show y'all because I was excited. I was excited, like, child. I can't wait for my birthday vlog. Boo, 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 boo. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Right now I'm tired. I just want to be with my family, and tomorrow we're gonna go out for late lunch. Yeah, and then no, early in the morning, like during the day we're gonna go to a photo shoot, and then later on we're gonna go out for late lunch. So I can't wait for you guys to enjoy. See y'all tomorrow. Bye.
You know it's creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Trying to make the most of it. Baby, it's your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near.
Something red.
Whatever you need.
That's how you shit.
Come close. 'Cause I wanna be
Sama, ako nahanap ko tayo sama.
Irfan, give me.
Sing.
Yeah.
Find your next. Erin, find your next one.
hoping for some brighter days.
Similar na madal.
'Cause I'm falling in
Similar na parobit.
getting needy. Make some kind of fire within me.
Something red.
Burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near.
Okay, I'll open something brown to see if I can. I chose it away. Brown to be.
Yeah, refusing. Read. Wala na pala ako. Tila lang mo na, no?
Bala the message how. Okay. Hey, sweet Thato. As you open this box, get ready to embark on a journey of making greater memories and new adventure.
Gift from us.
Did you read to understand?
It was like a Balashe because that's it.
Get
Ready.
it. You get it. You get it.
Wait.
Eric, Vale.
Creeping up on me.
Eric, get ready.
This
Pack your
frostbite
bag.
gets deep into my bloodstream.
I'm locked to
Just
the
trying to make the most of it. Lay down with your body. Make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near. Come close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side.
Hi guys. So today is day 3, ne? And you know what? Like today early in the morning, my family surprised me with a selfie. So I wanted to show you guys. They surprised me with this, of which I'm sure you guys saw that I had an adventure going on. So yeah, they bought me this and it has yo and it smells so nice. Like they bought me this box. They made this box and we're going on a vacation with my family. So like yeah, I wanted to show you guys my outfit of the day, what I'm wearing. So I'm just wearing this jacket from Shein with my t-shirt that I bought from Mr. Price, with these black jeans and these white boots. Yeah, and we're about to leave. I'm just waiting for my sister. And right now we're about to leave, so I'm just waiting for my sisters to come back, and then we're gonna go on Zwachan. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys. My sister did my nails, and this is how they look. Boo, 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 boo. Yeah, and tomorrow is my birthday. Coming to celebrate it. Yeah, guys, let's get going. I'll see you guys when we get to the venue, because I don't even know where we're going, child. It's still a surprise. So so yeah guys, I'll talk to you guys when we get there, or I'll see you guys in the video. Like so far I am enjoying this vlog. Oh, and I did my baby hairs, you know, like I'm trying out something and I really did good. I feel like I did good. Please don't judge. Please don't judge. Don't judge. Don't judge. Bye. Happy birthday. Stop, so sweet. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Thato. Happy birthday to you. James.
It's pretty lonely. I get so lonely. So stay by my side. Come on close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. I wanna be by your side. Come close. Get under my skin. Give me a piece
can't see. Go guy to.
Thato, I want movement.
Wanna be by your side.
I give one is say long on it.
Stay by my side.
Lion King
You know it's creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come on close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come on close. Get under my skin. Give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while. Stay by my side. I'm hoping for some brighter days. 'Cause I'm falling in the snow, it's getting me deep. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side.
Are you crying?
Get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while.
Are you crying? That girl,
By
don't
my
cry.
side. November gets cold.
Oh, it's them preparing for me. Child, please. Like, guys. My family, you know, those people at tagas when it comes to surprises, like, why the, what the egg? Hey.
November gets cold. December gets darker. Let me know when you're home. 'Cause you're lighting a spark in me. It's pretty lonely. I get so lonely. So stay by my side. Come on close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close. Get under my skin. Give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while. Stay by my side. Side. Wanna be by your side.
But this gorgeous girls don't cry.
Just for a while, stay by my side.
I look dark boy. Okay, you look pretty.
Original. Original just say no, 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 no. Just say yeah, original Batman. Body nice. See I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah. Man I tell her when she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man I tell her when she go low. Bad man I put you in a photo. Count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class. No, 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 no. Just say yeah, So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So do you mean you're number one I control? So you really, really meant for the girls, may they come true. Come true. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the key, let my come in on me, yard, them a give me low. If you're tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got. No, 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 no,
Success.
To success.
To wealth.
To wealth.
To prosperity.
To prosperity.
Forever 21. Forever united. And to the future, to more vacations.
To more family vacations.
To more family vacations. To money.
Tomorrow.
Never below you, always beside you. Happy birthday, Thato. Happy birthday, Thato. Happy birthday, Thato. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? 21. How old are you now? 21. How old are you now? How old are you now? 21. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday to you.
If you're tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got. No, 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 no. She'll say
Batman, turn up the vibe. Batman, turn up the vibe.
Original Batman,
turn up the vibe.
Narco, got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Shot trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna. Bouncing nothing, I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to sleep across the water. Got CEOs out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. And this whole family, if you run up with the package. I just put a pack on the way to Bogota. Fuck his ass out, and I'm telling what he saw. I'ma watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw her legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. Sitting there on a bike, going straight them in a team. Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Shot trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Hey. Cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. Going up a band while I'm back in propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose range. Just kept to my Lou with the pack and the cat. Jiffy, Lou with the bricks, where they at? Drippin', ooze, the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving out the nest. Yeah, pie face set like milk. Yup, running with the pack, got slipped. Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, took a couple couple routes. Flush mama house, Hermes and Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock 'em out, but then I throw 'em out the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack 'em, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap 'em, chop a bite down like an apple. Match with the acres with the horses in the cattle. Like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north, got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato.
Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh. What you do?
Bad bitch, if she do it, I say so. Big 40s in a big ass Draco. You more millions when you ask how my day go. Or a buffalo, not a blueberry.
Okay, man. Leano itla.
Kitse so isha po kitse street mara so ke bona.
Yeah, Leano.
Ya boy. Kamu pila kamu ni?
Au tla
Hey, bolo ise kwa.
Wait, I also can play.
O sinyetsa photo ka bolo ya.
Awu ushapo.
Ngeke soccer play.
But ka ujange.
Lena idla. Para bolo.
Kutama he kutama bolo nya.
Wa ifiti ba bolo.
Abela era gore ke jezi number 10 na re di.
Hai na ke na jesi na.
Ya ka no re bolo uska bolo ena. Le shap kitse se ngap.
Yeah. Hey, Kaiser Chiefs. Hey.
That's ngap.
Ari re.
Asina ke chips kina hona.
Leano Chiefs ta he ga re no feditso.
Leano.
Leano mari manala le.
Mo ga mo di batafulai. Mo. Ari re.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So like today's the last day and right now we're gonna go to is it a family park or something like it's something like that, and then we just yeah man, we're just gonna enjoy the last day because today's the last day. We're going home. And we were supposed to check out at 10 right now. Surely it's 10:30, but we're going right now. And yeah, I don't know what else to say, child. Like I was so surprised. Like everything, it was surprise after surprise after surprise. Wow. So yeah,
Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north, got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna. Bouncing off and I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to slip across the water. Got CEOs out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. Kill his whole family if you run off with the package. I just put it back on the way to Bogota. Poke his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw. I'ma watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. Sitting there on a plane, going straight them in a team. Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north, got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Hey. Cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. Going up a pan while I'm back in propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose range. Skip to my Lou with the pack and the cat. Jiffy, Lou with the bricks, where they at? Drippin', ooze, the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving at the nest. Get pie face set like milk. Yup, running with the pack, got slipped. Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, took a couple routes. Flush mama house, Hermes and Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock 'em out, but then I throw 'em out the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack 'em, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap 'em, chop a bite. Acres with the horses in the cattle like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Cut throat, chop trees with the Draco. On the north, got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato.
Damn, Zeus,
No waiting, no wasted time. Simple loans, better service. Visit directaccess.co.